We didn't build this multi-camera rig to scan objects. We built it for humans. See, humans are terrible at staying still. They're not patient, and they can't float midair. If you want a sharp 3D scan of a person, you need to capture everything in a fraction of a second. That's what this beast is designed to do. But we get asked all the time, can you scan objects with it? The short answer is yes, but it's usually overkill. For scanning static objects, most people will simply take 100 close-up photos one by one. It's the usual way of doing this. So, why would we use a massive human-scale rig for small objects? It comes down to two things. First, volume. If we have to scan 100 pairs of Mongolian slippers by the end of the day, we'll trade a little bit of macro detail for the sheer speed of one click and done. Second, action. You can't manually photograph a falling object from all angles all at once. Which brings us to today. We'll throw this bag around and scan it in action.
I got this bag from my friend Stanley Aryanto. He's the guy behind the Two Red Tabs brand. Cool name, right? This is my first photography bag ever. For over a decade, I've used a regular hiking backpack for my gear. But Stanley has been perfecting this design for years, and he sent me one to try. What better way to test it than a winter mountain hike? Now let's see what we captured in 3D. The scans came out incredible.
C'est bon? Ok.
That was close.